James here from goodguitarist.com, and in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play Bad Moon Rising by CCR. And this is a 3-chord song that uses 3 of the easiest chord shapes on guitar. The strumming is pretty simple. It's a bit of a longer pattern, but we're going to break it down and figure everything out. If along the way you find that you need any extra help, I have a free ebook that's completely free for all my subscribers. Goes over all the fundamentals of guitar, the chords, strumming, chord switching, developing a steady rhythm and all that stuff. It's completely free. I'll put a link in the corner if you haven't gotten your copy yet. Otherwise, we're just going to jump right in and take a look at the chord shapes. We start off on a D chord. Then we have an A chord. And for D to A, we can leave our ring finger down and just slide down 1 fret and then make our A shape. That's a good way to make that switch a little bit smoother, a little bit more consistent. And then we have a G chord. And when we're going from A to G, once again, we can use our ring finger. Just bring it back up to the 3rd fret, and then we finish our G shape. And from G, we go back to D, and we leave our ring finger down once again. So our ring finger is doing a lot of work in this one, and I want you to just take a sec. Start on your D chord, slide down, make the A shape, slide it back up, make the G shape, and then pivot off of it into that D shape. And get used to those switches, D to A to G, back to D. And now we can put those chords in order with a little bit of counting, so we play each one the right amount of times. That's really important with this tune. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you're good with that and you have the chords in order and you can switch at the right time, we can add an element of rhythm to that. We can add some strumming. The strumming pattern goes like this. And you'll notice that I was switching chords during the strumming pattern. It's really tied in. The rhythm is really tied into the chord progression of this tune. And when it comes to putting it all together, we can break it down to make it so much simpler. First, on the D chord, we go root, down, miss, up, down. So we have a root on beat 1, which is just like a little downstroke that aims at the thicker strings of that chord shape. So root on beat 1, down on beat 2, and then we miss on beat 3 and go up, down. So I want you to just say that pattern. Root, down, miss, up, down. Root, down, miss, up. And then you try to add your hand to that, Root, down, miss, up, down. Root, down, miss, up, down. If you're still having trouble, you can break that up into 2 halves. First going root, down, 3, 4. Root, down, 3, 4. Being sure to count out 3, 4 out loud. And then we can do the second half the same way, going 1, 2, miss, up, down. And when I miss, I'm doing a downstroke that misses the strings. 1, 2, miss, up, down. 1, 2, miss, up, down. And once you can do each half, you put it back together, first saying it and then playing it like we already did. And then the second half of it is pretty straightforward. It's more about those switches. So be sure to practice the switches on their own. We have our A chord, root, down. So I'm just aiming for the thicker strings and then doing a downstroke. And then same thing on G, root, down. So we can isolate that going 2, 3, 4. Root, down, root, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Root, down, root, down. And when you take a look at our pattern, it starts with a root, which is the thicker strings. So for our A chord, that's the open A string. It's around that area. And then for the G chord, we can actually place our middle finger first we get our root, and then we still have a little bit of time left to get the rest of the shape. Root, down, root, down. And once we have each half of that pattern, the D chord and then A plus G, we can put the whole thing together going 2, 3, 4, root, down, miss, up, down, root, down, root, down. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, again. Root, down, miss, up, down, root, down, root, down, D. Landing on that D chord at the end. And now the rest of it, that 2 measures of D, we just do the same pattern, but no switch. So that might be a good place to start if you're having trouble with the switch, just playing the pattern on the D chord over and over again. Root, down, miss, up, down, root, down, root, down. So take your time with everything that we just did, and when you're ready, we can put that together with the progression and play through the verse of this tune, starting on a D chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Miss, up, down, root, down, root, down. I see trouble on the way. Up, down, root, down, root, down. I see earthquakes and lightning. Up, down, root, down, root, down. I see bad times today. Up, down, root, down, root, down. All we have left to learn now is the chorus. And the chorus is just the G chord for one entire strumming pattern, the D chord for one entire strumming pattern, and then we split A and G with our strumming pattern. So on the A chord we go root, down, miss, up, down, and then we switch to G and we go root, down, root, down. So you can see it right there. You know, we've already done the main progression, which is much more complicated than this. You know, here we're just splitting it between 2 shapes, and that's it. So let's try the chorus with the strumming pattern. You know, if you're not sure what's going on, you can always just watch this, see what happens, and then try it with me afterwards. Starting on a G chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, down, root, down, root, down, down. Up, down, root, down, root, down, root, down. Up, down, root, down, root, down. So at this point, I want you to go through everything. You can see in the table of contents down below, we start with the chord switching, you know, and working on all those little tricks to make the switching easier. And then we work through the chord progression, we work on the strumming, we work on the next section. You know, just go through it all systematically like we do in all my lessons. And now we can figure out how to put the whole song together. This one starts off with our main chord progression one time. They use that as an intro. And then we play our verse, which uses our main chord progression 4 times. Then we have a chorus, another verse, another chorus. Then there's a solo, which happens over the verse and chorus together. And then there's another verse, and then 2 choruses. So this one's really easy to put together. You know, it's just verse, chorus, verse, chorus. I recommend writing that down and listening to the original recording to help develop your sense for where you are within the song. You know, that's called your sense of form, and it's one of the most important musical skills is to be able to know what's coming next. And, you know, this is the best way to develop it, you know, to get your, to just write down the order and then listen to the music and just be like, yeah, that sounds like the verse, you know, and it'll help you look ahead when you're playing music and develop confidence. I also have a complete playthrough with a backing track on my Patreon page, and Patreon is a place where you can help support the channel with a small monthly donation, and in exchange you get access to a ton of resources, full song playthroughs, sheet music for select tunes, a bunch of worksheets for different techniques and concepts on guitar. I'll put a link down below so you can check that out. Don't forget to grab your copy of my free ebook if you haven't already gotten yours. I also have a premium beginners course, which takes you from absolute beginner to confident strummer, learning songs along the way. It's a great way to develop a completely solid foundation. I'll put a link in the corner for that if you're interested. It's also the best way to help support the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified about future lessons. And if you have any questions, please ask in the comments down below. Otherwise, have a fun time practicing, and I'll see you soon.